Dear students, let's start exercise 12.1. We will start with question number 3 first. Find the volume of cube and cuboid. The figures are given in your book. So A part, you have to check whether the given figure is a cube and or a cuboid. See here, which figure is this? As length, breadth and height are different, so the given figure is a cuboid. And we know the volume of cuboid is length multiply breadth multiply height. The longer side is the length, 7 centimeter. This is the breadth and this is the height. 7 centimeter length, 2 centimeter breadth and 3 centimeter is height. So volume of cube is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. 7 multiply 2 multiply 3. When you multiply these numbers, you will get 42. And the unit for the volume will be cubic. This stands for cubic and centimeter, as centimeter is given. So the unit for volume is cubic centimeter. Now start with B part. See, you will check whether the given figure is cube or cuboid, as all three dimensions are same. Length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. So this is a cube and you have to find the volume of cube. How you will find the volume of cube? The formula is side multiply side multiply side. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. When you multiply these numbers, you will get 216 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter is the unit of volume. Now let's start with the C part. The following figure is given. Here the longer side is 8 centimeter. This will be the length. 2 centimeter will be the breadth and 4 centimeter will be the height. So the given figure is a cuboid. So the volume of cuboid will be length multiply breadth multiply height. 8 multiply 2 multiply 4, we will get 64 cubic centimeter. Now let's start with D part. What is given here? In D part, the figure is given. The longer side is 18 centimeter, so this will be the length. 9 centimeter is the breadth of this figure and 3 centimeter is the height of the given figure. This is a cuboid. So the volume of cuboid will be equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. 18 multiply 9 multiply 3. When we multiply these numbers, we will get 486 cubic centimeter. Now students, let's start with question number 4 of exercise 12.1. Find the volume of each of the following dimensions. See, the dimensions are given and you have to check whether the given dimensions belong to a cube or a cuboid. A part, length is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter and height is 3 meter. Length, breadth and height are different, so the given dimensions are the dimension of cuboid. And you have to find the volume. So volume of cuboid will be length multiply breadth multiply height. 6 multiply 5 multiply 3, that is equal to 90 cubic meter. Here if meter is given, then you will write the unit as meter. Now let's do the D part. Length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter and height is 9 meter. Length, breadth and height are different. It means these dimensions are the dimension of cuboid. So we will find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid will be length multiply breadth multiply height. 4 multiply 3 multiply 9. After multiplying it, we will get the answer as 108 cubic meter. Students, the remaining two parts are in your homework. B part and C part are in your homework. Now students, let's start with question number first of exercise 12.1. What is given? Find the volume of solid shapes. Each is made of 1 centimeter cube. The figures are given to you and you have to find the volume of these figures. The one special thing which is there in each and every part is that each figure is made up of cube. And what is the dimension of this cube? It is given that each is made of 1 centimeter cube. A cube is given whose dimension means the side of the cube is 1 centimeter. If side of a cube is 1 centimeter, so the volume of, let's start like side of cube is equal to 1 centimeter. So volume of a cube is equal to side multiply side, that is equal to 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, that is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Now the volume of this cube is 1 centimeter cube. Now you will count the number of cubes. How many cubes are there in this figure? Let's start counting the number of cubes. 1, 2. This is first cube, this is second cube, this is third cube, this is fourth cube, this is 5 cube, and this is 6 cube. There are 6 cubes in this figure. So if the volume of one cube is 1 centimeter cube and you have to find the volume of whole figures, so you know that volume of one cube is equal to 1 centimeter cube and you have to find the volume of these 6 cubes. So the volume of 6 cube will be volume of 6 such cubes will be 1 multiply 6 is equal to 6 centimeter cube. So the volume of this figure will be 6 centimeter cube. Now in the same way, counting the number of cubes in the given figure and finding the volume of one cube, you will find the volume of the given figure. As you know that the volume of each cube will be 1 centimeter cube, you will count the number of boxes or cubes and you will multiply it by 1 centimeter cube. You will get the volume of given figure. See here how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can number it also. 1 first cube, second cube, third cube, fourth cube, fifth cube, and 6th cube. So volume of one cube is equal to 1 centimeter cube and volume of 6 cube will be 6 centimeter cube. This is also the way to write the unit of the volume. Now in the same way, now count the number of cubes here. How many cubes are there in C part? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can number it also. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 cubes in the given figure. So the volume of this figure will be 12 centimeter cube, as there are 12 cubes are there. Now in D part, you will count the number of cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can write it also. This is first cube, this is second cube, this is third cube, this is fourth cube, fifth cube, 6, 7, 8. as the volume of one cube is 1 centimeter cube, and you can write it directly as the volume of this figure will be 8 centimeter cube. In the same way, you will count the number of cubes here. This is first cube, this is second cube, this is third cube, this is fourth cube, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. 8 cubes are there. So the volume of this figure will be 8 cubic centimeter, or you can write it as 8 centimeter cube. Now in F part, when you count these cubes, you will get that there are 27 cubes are there. See, इसमें देखो जरा, 1 cubes ऐसे कितनी है लाइन, 1 2 3, ये 4 होगी और ये 5. So the total number of cubes you will get will be 27. So the volume of this figure will be 27 centimeter cube, or you can write it as 27 cubic centimeter. Now students, let's start with question number 2 of exercise 12.1. Find the volume of each of cuboid in cubic centimeter, and you have to add this. Each is made of 1 centimeter cube. Cuboids are given, and each cuboids are made up of the small cubes. First of all, you will find the volume of each cube. The cuboid is made up of 1 centimeter cube. So how will you solve it? The volume of 1 cube is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Now you will count the number of cubes. See here at the top, 1, you will number it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 cubes are there at the top. In the same way, 12 cubes will be there at the bottom also. It means 12 plus 12 cubes make 24 cubes. 24 cubes are there, and the volume of 1 cube is equal to 1 centimeter cube. It means the volume of 24 cubes will be 24 centimeter cube. In the same way, we will do the B part. Now count the number of cubes. In B part, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 cubes are there at the top. और ऐसे कितने हैं? 6 इसमें होंगे, 6 इस वाली लाइन में होंगे, 6 प्लस 6 इससे नीचे वाली लाइन में भी 6 होंगे क्यूब्स, और इससे नीचे वाली लाइन में भी 6 क्यूब्स होंगे. How many lines are there? 1 2 3 4, and in each line how many cubes are there? 6 cubes. It means there are 24 cubes. So the volume of this whole cuboid is equal to 24 centimeter cube, as there are 24 cubes in this cuboid. Now in C part, this cuboid is made up of how many cubes? Let's count. Count how many cubes are there in this cuboid. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 cubes are there in this cuboid. Volume of 1 cube is, volume of 1 cube is equal to 1 centimeter cube, and there are 6 cubes. So volume of 6 cubes will be equal to 6 centimeter cube. So the volume of this whole cuboid will be 6 centimeter cube. In the same way, you can do D part also. Count the number of cube by which this cuboid is made. Now let us number the cubes. First cube, second cube, third cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube and 8 cube. So there are 8 cubes in the given figure. It means the volume of this cuboid will be 8 centimeter cube, as the volume of one cube is equal to 1 centimeter cube. You can do these questions directly also by counting the number of cubes in each cuboid. Now students, before starting question number 5, we will write the formula. How to find the height of the given three-dimensional figure. If cuboid is given, then the height of the given three-dimensional figure, if cuboid is given, that will be equal to volume of given figure cuboid divided by area of the floor. So let's start with the fifth question. What is given in fifth question? If the volume of godown is 1728 meter cube and the area of floor is 192 meter square, find the height of godown. Here a godown is given. The godown is a room, and the volume of this godown or room is 1728 meter cube, and the area of this floor, the area of this floor, it means the floor is in the shape of the rectangle. The area of that floor is 192 meter square, and you have to find the height of this godown or room. So how will you do it? Volume of godown is 1728 meter cube. Area of floor of godown is 192 meter square. So the height of godown, that will be equal to volume of godown divided by area of floor of the godown. So when you divide 1728 by 192, you will get 9 meter. So the height of godown is equal to height of godown is equal to 9 meter. That is your answer.